I'm with Martina, and today's listing is a lot of fun! Now this is the true open concept. I love the cathedral ceilings, and everything is modern and updated. You can entertain on a spring day, roast some marshmallows while the sun sets, or have some fun. Lake Ridge is a great place to live. How do I know? I've lived here for the past 8 years. There is so much nature to experience, and there are so many hidden gems nearby. So come see why I and everyone else loves Lake Ridge. Your new home awaits you.